Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Natasha.
And we're Sailing Chocolate. I don't get it. Why aren't you saying it? Well, 11 knot winds right now. Loving that. As well as coming in fast and furious, and it's building. So I think tomorrow's gonna be 8 to 12 foot. So serious stuff. But man, it is absolutely incredible out here in San Diego today. This is the very first weekend after the new year, and the sun is shining. I think it's like a cool, probably 65 degrees out here, maybe a little chillier. Man, it is absolutely beautiful. Barely any clouds in the sky, sunny. We're having some nice drinks, and yeah, we're just absolutely enjoying life. So here's to that.
I don't know how to use this thing.
Hey, pick it up.
Please get the fish.
I will. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick up the video
I have
camera.
a phone in my hands. Is it a big one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
Big.
Do you need help?
Let the sails out. Let the sails out.
Okay.
Main sail mainly.
Yes, I'm going to the main right now.
This is a big chunk of kelp. This is a fish.
It's not kelp. We can see it.
I broke off.
Oh no!
Yeah, it was burning. Nope. It was burning.
Well, it was because of you, since you weren't reeling it in.
I couldn't reel it in. It was too much. So you probably just saw, you know, one of the rods we had just got absolutely smoked. I had a pink rattler deep dive fishing lure on there. It goes down about 20-30 feet. Something hit it, and it was heavy. It basically was running out almost all my line. The time I set the drag all the way down, it did eventually snap off. And that's 80-pound braid that it snaps, so that's not something that's easy to snap. My initial thought was, oh, this is going to be a massive yellowtail because they're around right now. But then I was like, it's got to be a shark. Maybe it's a white shark. I'm not sure, but it had to be some really, really heavy shark to snap that 80-pound braid. So anyway, sometimes you win, sometimes you don't. I was hoping I could get that one to the boat, but it just didn't happen. Anyway, always loved the experience, and yeah, it was absolutely fun. So.
That these two men would meet that day and do that fateful dance. Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went, he went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
So now back at the slip, and it was one incredible day. Never a bad day here in San Diego. Sun was shining, absolutely gorgeous out once again. The wind did definitely picked up. I think we got around, highest we got up to probably around 13, 13.3, 13.4 knots. So we had a really good sail going on. We had that big fish, I think it was a shark, pretty sure it was a shark, smoked me and break my line, so that's always fun. But overall, just another incredible day here in San Diego. So we enjoyed it. And again, hope you guys are doing well out there. See you next time.